3410 North Main Street, Paris, Texas, Christian Fellowship Church. This is our monument sign. We still got landscaping to do. There's going to be some planters go there and over there. And we got a little capstone to put right underneath the sign, but we've got it covered. Inset. It's protected from the weather. Access there. Here's the other side. That's our access point for network. It runs through the pipe there and goes into the sign. Now the sign's mounted to this middle beam just as if it was a miniature billboard. So it's well attached, and there's a good 6 inches, 6 to 10. Well, it's the width of that bar right there in between. So yeah, at least a good 6-7 inches in between the two signs for ventilation. And yeah, there we go. All right, there's a sign. We're powering it from this meter that we had installed, which is coming off of that pole, which is grounded. Lightning protection, that sort of thing going on there. And then we go underground and go across to the monument part of the sign there. We ran 220 for the panels, and we ran 110 for the controller, the Taurus 3. Obviously we needed 110 for that. So power steps up in here. We have access to it here, and it kind of runs through from there into here. Like that's our 110. This is connected to a GFCI and has surge protection. This outlet has surge protection, but it's tied into a GFCI on the other end, just for a little extra, making sure we're all protected. And then here's our 220 cable coming in for the LED connection right there. And then it actually connects to the bottom right on the other side, and it goes up the column and then down and then up and then down all the way to that corner. And then when you drop with an extension and connect to this bottom right panel and do the same pattern, obviously, for the second side, up the column, down the column, up the column, down the column, all the way till we get to this side at the top, and we've put the cap up there on the other end. I've got some pictures of the controller and how the controller is set up, but it's behind this panel, protected from the weather, underneath this awning that we've installed here. We still have a couple more things we're doing on the monument. We've got to fix the landscaping, put some planters in, put the number for the building. This is 3410 North Main Street, Paris, Texas. We're a church, but we also use our facility for a lot of different things. So this sign helps us a lot because we can change the graphics on a regular basis. Pretty simple setup. The biplex and the LTC, Nova LTC, LCT. Once you get in there and fiddle around with it, it's pretty simple. I like that a lot. Anyway, I'll probably send y'all another video once we finish getting the landscaping done and put the numbers on the monument there and get the lights, the other lights and different things that we're doing with that, just for you to have for your portfolio. But that's it.